Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's getting cold. It's November, and it's starting to get into the 30s at night. A little lower now too in Connecticut. So I'm in a garage. It's better than working out in the carport like before, but it's still pretty cold. I don't know if there's insulation. I didn't check. So I picked up this at Harbor Freight. It's a oscillating heater. It's like a fan. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but any more warm is better. So I'm gonna open it up. It's Harbor Freight item 62313. It's the oscillating parabolic heater, 415 900 watt. So I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside of it. It's gonna be like a little review. Using my rusty razor blade. There's no this side. Oh, yes there is. I lied. I was gonna say there's no this side up thing, but it's pretty obvious this is the top, but there is on the side. So. Looks very straightforward in here. There's a owner's manual that it's just how to use it and breakdown of the parts. Pretty simple. And then here's the machine itself. Nothing else, just the instructions and it. So that was very easy. That is not like the paint gun where there's a ton of stuff to go through and lots of instructions. I would say use this at your own risk. I mean, don't put it next to paper, don't stack things in front of it. It does, if it falls over like this, it'll turn off. So it's pretty cool. It's got a timer on it. It's got two heat settings, and you can either have it turn or you can have it not turn. And it looks like you can point it up and stuff. So later tonight, I'm going to close the garage doors because it's kind of nice outside actually right now. It's probably 50. I'm gonna close the doors, turn this on, and see how it is. But let's just see what it looks like on. On. Okay. Wow. And then stick it on high. You can feel the heat already. It's pretty crazy. Wow, okay. That's low. Then off. And this is the timer. So we're just sticking on high and on. So this is just the temperature. This is the on-off. Yeah. Hopefully that helps out pretty much. So I'll get back to you when it's colder and I have it actually on doing things. Alright, so I've been using this heater from Harbor Freight for a couple days now. And I wouldn't say it's good for heating a whole room, but if you need to do like a spot, I think that it'd be really good, like if you need to heat up a spot of a car or something. And that might be what it's made for, I don't know. I just thought it would be good to test out, try and heat the garage up a bit. But like here, it's also a good light source. Right here where I was doing some spot putty, I can heat this section up right here and it'll get warm and I can do work there because the paint or the filler, it needs a specific amount of heat to work well. That helps. helps dry paint. This tip over feature, it works really well. It's just a button, simple, works. But like I said, if you need to heat up part of something, like a spot, I'd really recommend this. It's only $30. So if you need one, go check out Harbor Freight. They should have them. It is getting into the winter season, so they'll probably have more of them than they usually would. $30, can't beat it. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate any subscriptions and likes. Leave a comment if you get one, if you liked it. If you liked the video, leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.